Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add a subscribe newsletter from a form to your website using Elementor step by step with no coding at all. Let's get started. First of all, open the page or section where you want to add your newsletter form. For that, go to Appearance, then select theme like 2024, then customize site, then pages, search or add page, right, or go to navigation, or go to pages, search for form newsletter, that drag it here. By default, it will give you name, email, and message fields. Since we just need a newsletter sign up, go ahead and delete all fields except email. Now click on the submit button or publish button from here. To change the text, let's write something like subscribe or join now. Under actions after submit, make sure your email is selected. This will send subscriber details to your admin email. You can edit email settings under the email tab, like subject line, sender email, and message content. If you want to collect emails to a service like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign, you will need to integrate Elementor with it. Then go to Elementor from your dashboard. Then settings, then click integrations. In your WordPress dashboard, paste your MailChimp API key back in the form widget under actions after submit. Choose MailChimp, fill out the MailChimp details, list ID, tags, etc. Now when someone subscribes, their email goes straight into your MailChimp audience list. Let's make it look clean and modern. Click the Style tab, adjust typography, fields, width, padding, and colors. Style the button, change background color, hover effect, and font. You can also customize the success message under the content. Then additional options section, and that's it. You now have a fully working newsletter sign up form in Elementor, ready to capture leads and grow your audience. If this helped, leave a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on setting up email automations next.